is January 30th and I'm going to a park with a waterfall. Okay.
Sorry.
And I'm going with Alec, obviously you could tell. So yeah.
They don't know who I am. Introduce me.
Yeah, they do from the other one. Oh well, he's
Well, you didn't introduce me.
Okay, sorry. He's the BF. And it is 3:39, and yeah, so I decided to take you guys along today. So yeah.
What's up?
Hey guys, so we were just adventuring and
Devin fell in.
stepped into frozen ice.
Alright, it's that. She walked on that. And you see the big falls over there? You're gonna see pictures of it probably in the video, so you've already seen it. But she walked on a spot that was all ice, and I told her not to walk there, and she fell in.
And now my feet are freezing.